Hello everybody, I'm introducing you to Casa Blanca. Casa Blanca is located in the north side of the bay, in the Veneras area, about 2 miles from Punta de Mita. This is a waterfront property, a little bit of beach down below, infinity pool. It's 5 bedroom, 5.5 bathrooms. It's built on a 2,000 square meter lot. The house has about 1,000 square meter construction. This is the master bedroom. There is a little gym in the back. Office space down here. Some of the garden. Stairs to go down. The other bedrooms on the side. Kitchen area. Living room. Dining room. Infinity pool. So if you want more information on this property, please log on to Puerto Vallarta Property Rentals and look for Blanca.